In the heart of an ancient temple, the golden goblet sat untouched for centuries. Legend had it that anyone who dared to drink from it would be cursed with eternal hiccups. Surprisingly, this wasn't just a myth. Scientists discovered that the goblet's unique alloy emitted a frequency that triggered the diaphragm, causing persistent hiccups. This bizarre phenomenon puzzled researchers, as it was the only known object to have such an effect. Imagine sipping from a goblet and hiccuping forever. Next time you see a golden goblet, think twice before taking a sip. Like, comment, and subscribe for more intriguing tales.